the Bitcoin price is crashing, and the question right now is how low could we go? So let's talk about it. As you know, we have been trading, let me show you guys, we have been trading within this sideways channel since the 21st of June, yeah? And then it happened on Monday, we broke this important support level and even this yellow support level, yeah? Okay, we just tested it a couple of times and now we broke below this level, yeah? The question right now is, will we go lower or could we see a move to the upside? So first of all, let me show you, and we're gonna work with the Fib levels right now, okay? So let's have a look at this. As you can see here on the 4-hourly time frame, the RSI reached the oversold territory, which could be an indication that we will see a move to the upside. So as of right now, let's see what we can do with the Fib levels. As you know, here we're gonna use it. We go from the swing low to the swing high, okay? And now we have a look at it. We're gonna have a look at it. As you can see here right now, we found some support at the 0.382 Fib level, okay? So this is with great coincidence here also when we reached the oversold territory, okay? So as you can see here, we went really low here. The RSI went really low, and we also reached this Fib level here, okay? So the question right now is, what can we expect? So if this support holds, yeah, if the Fib level holds, then we could see a move to the upside, and this level here, I mean a small move, because this level here, you see this yellow line, acts as resistance right now because it acted as support a couple of times before. But the next Fib level would be up here, the 0.236. So this would be, as you can see here, also perfect confluence with a couple of rejections and supports here, as you can see here. So the question is, if you're standing on a sideline right now and you want to trade, what could you do? I mean, it's always the first priority. We always look for chart patterns. You always look for chart patterns. There's not really a nice tradable chart pattern going on right now. So the question is, what can you do? I mean, if you want to play it risky, yeah. Since the RSI is so low, you could enter a long position, yeah, with a stop loss below the swing low here. That means below, let's say, at least $28,700, hoping that the price goes up. So because we don't really have a chart pattern here right now that we could analyze or use as a breakout, so to determine a breakout. So you could just enter long position with a stop loss below this swing low, give it some more space, maybe at $28,600. And yeah, basically, I mean, the narrative of Bitcoin hasn't changed at all. So basically we should go higher, but yeah, we have to see what the market shows us. So let's go on and have a look at Ethereum, guys. So let's go here. Basically, we will do the same. Let me show you. You know, we have been trading within this ascending broadening wedge, okay? And basically this pattern is more likely to break out to the downside, which basically happened here. And on the 4-hourly time frame, as you can see here, let me zoom in. As you can see here, we broke this support line, and we also have been trading within this descending channel. And a descending channel is usually much more likely to break out to the upside, but in this case, it's basically we are still trading within this channel because we didn't have a 4-hourly close. So now this white line is acting as resistance. So to see some bullish move to the upside, first of all, we would have to break this white line here, and then we have this turquoise line here also acting as resistance. So we have two lines to break really bullish here right now. But a good indication, as you can see here right now, the RSI on the 4-hourly time frame went to the oversold territory, yeah. And usually when the RSI goes to this territory, as you can see here, for example, yeah, what happened? The price went higher after that, okay? So we could see, or also here, I mean, we didn't even touch the oversold territory here, but then the price went even higher. Here, very low, and then we went higher. So this could be an indication that the price could see, let's say, a significant move to the upside soon. But we have these two lines to break, the white line here and the turquoise line here, and then the first target would be up here. But we will also use the Fib levels right now because we want to see what they will show us. So let's have a look here. So I'm gonna take the Fib levels from the swing low to the swing high, as you can see. And now let's have a closer look. Let's zoom in here. And as you can see here, the 0.382 Fib level, yeah, will act almost in perfect confluence now with this wide resistance line also as resistance. Okay, so we have basically these two lines to break now, the Fib level, the white line, then we have this zone here where we can trade, and then this turquoise line we have to break that we get bullish, yeah. And the next support, the next resistance line would be at around $1,911. Okay, so really nice confluence with the white line and the 0.382 Fib level here, yeah. So once we break this here and this here plus the turquoise line, you could enter a long position, yeah, if you want to play it safe. But if you want to play it more risky, what can you do then? We have the, let me show you, we have the 0.5 Fib level here acting as support, and we also have the support level here at $1,815. So if you want to play it risky, you could enter a long position right here with a stop, first of all below the swing low here, and which is also, let's say, perfect confluence with the blue support line. So let's say you can put the stop loss at least, let's say, around the $1,800 level, because then the price would have to break the Fib level, the support line, and also the swing low here. Okay, so if you want to play it risky, you could do this. If you don't want to play it risky, you can just wait until we break this line, this line, and this line, and enter a long position after a 4-hourly close. So that's what's going on right now, guys. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.